Hey guys, it's Sean. I am down here in doing some testing. They've got gas ranges and they've got some leaky houses, but they're looking at doing some additional air sealing. And I decided to go ahead and test one of the gas ranges for carbon monoxide. They do have carbon monoxide detectors, but I just wanted to run through something that I thought was pretty interesting. I thought it would be useful to know. So I just baselined my carbon monoxide detector here, and this is a Fluke handy little tool. So if you can hear, it's already going off a little bit here in the house because I've already run this test. But I'm going to go ahead and run it again so you can see what's going on. So we don't have a lot, but there's still a remnant of 7 parts per million. What I'm going to do is turn on bake, and 350 will probably do the trick, but the best practice is to bump it up technically to the highest temperature and kick start. Now keep in mind while that's warming up, I've already emptied the oven, so the oven is empty, but I checked it first for any pots and pans. They have a range hood. It's off right now. This thing is going to be preheating. Oh, there it goes right now. I don't know if you can see inside there, but there's the igniter that's lit the gas heating ribbon. And so now I can feel a little bit of heat coming out of there. And I'm going to put my meter at the vent. And I don't know if you can see that. That's 100. 200, 250, 300, and so on. It's going to keep going, basically. I think when I did this test before, it was heading up north of 600. Here's the trick. I'm going to pop the vent open a little bit right there. Over here. I'm going to put this carbon monoxide back over there, detector over there, and it's dropping below 100 right there because the vent or the door is open. That's the trick. There's one other thing, obviously. Run the vent hood on low or high, whatever they want to do. High is louder, low will do the trick, but get this exhaust out of the house. And with that door open for the first minute, it's down below, down in the 50s right now. So that's a big deal. Now that the burner has had enough oxygen to do its thing and set up a good convective loop, it will burn more effectively. Although closing it here, it's still heading north of 100. It's slowing down at about 150, 160, 170 now. So that's why having the vent fan on is good. Getting the carbon monoxide out of the house. So this is still on. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off because I want this to cool down before I put the pots and pans back in. Now, here's the real kicker. They have carbon monoxide alarms. And these are not going off, even though mine is sensing it at 41. So I'm not a huge fan of the cheap carbon monoxide detectors. They are an emergency alert system, basically. The carbon monoxide is already at critical levels in terms of health and safety when those go off. So I don't trust them. Yes, they'll wake people up if there's a really bad problem, but as you can tell, those aren't going off. And I'm just standing here and there's 23 parts per million. So anyway, want to show you that. Have a great day.